Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this 2 shadow summer eyelid. So if you like what you see, keep watching. So we're only going to be focusing on the eyeshadow look, although I already went ahead and did my brows and just put a light layer of Fenty Beauty foundation in color 445. Okay, so what I do for this look is I first start with using the Kat Von D. This is actually a concealer, guys. Not sure if you guys can see that. Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Y'all see that? So I put on a few dots of that and I go ahead and use a blending brush and just blend it all the way out. And right here I'm using the MAC 221 SE blending brush. And I just blend it all the way out. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. So I let the concealer on my eye dry, and once it's done drying, I go ahead and use the same blending brush and I take my color, which is yellow, and you can do this with any color in this palette, you guys. This is the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette, and I use this yellow right here. It's the darker yellow, but like I said, you can use any color to do this look that I'm going for. And I take the yellow and I put it right here at the top. And I just, you know, nothing too serious. I go back and forth like this, almost like a fan. And I go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Take a little bit more color just so that you can see it, because my complexion is darker. I take a little bit more and I just blend that in. And you build it just enough so you can get a bright yellow in there. You want the most of your color to be on right there, the actual part of your lid. So I just take a little bit more and I just keep on doing it until I get my desired faint yellow that I'm looking for. Believe it or not, I actually got this technique from another YouTuber. I forget her name, but she did it in like different colors and it was so beautiful. So I said, ooh, I'm gonna try it, and I love it. It's easy for me. You guys know I love easy looks. I don't like anything that's gonna take time. I want something that I can do. It won't take me so much time and I can run up the house and still look cute. I don't want, or I don't prefer makeup looks that take too long, because a lot of times I don't have that time to put into my makeup. So once you are finished going back and forth and putting that yellow right here at the top of your eyelid, you go ahead and take your flat smudge brush, even though I'm not using it to smudge. This is a smudge brush by e.l.f., but I actually use it. It's the flat one. I actually use it for the top of my eyelids. I use it for my eyeshadow, guys. So you go back into that same yellow that you used and you pack it on. You get a lot on here and you pack it onto the top of your eyelid. And you get some more and you keep on doing that until it's packed on there the way you desire for it to be. See that? I'm gonna go ahead on the other side and, you know, just add a little bit more to it. Once you're done packing that color in, the next thing you do is find any color you want and you can put it in your inner tear duct. And me, I just chose blue because my earrings are blue today. So yeah, I don't normally use this brush to do my inner tear ducts, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it this time. And I'll clean that up for the final makeup look, you guys. And that's it as far as the shadows, guys. Once I'm done putting on my shadow, I go ahead and give myself a winged liner, and I use the Inglot Blackest Black Eye Gel. Now that I'm finished doing my winged liner, the next thing I'm going to do is put on some lashes. The lashes I'm going to be using are from my line Silk and Purple. So look in the description box below if you want to purchase a pair for yourself. So this is how it looks with the lashes on. I believe these are my 30mm lashes, but like I said, check the site, of course. Don't quote me on that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a full face so you guys can see how this eye look comes together. See you in the next clip, guys. So this is the final look, guys. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share. If this video blessed you, maybe you can bless somebody else. And don't forget, if you live to love, you would love to live. Bye, guys. And also, for those of you wondering where you can get these, it'll be in the description box below. It's also a part of Silk and Purple. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.